you've had hair since you were 2.
Yeah, I've kind of had facial hair since I was in like 6th grade, guys. Sorry.
Yeah.
That seems to make sense to me.
I agree. Here we go, another day. I still have no idea what day this is on this project. It's been probably another couple days since I've recorded last, so I've kind of just lost track. Sometimes I forget to record, especially when Zach's not around to help me record, because he's better at keeping on track with it. But eventually I'll get better at this, so stick with me. But we are working on the chain. We finally got the stuff for the jack shaft, and the jack shaft is in. Look at that. So the jack shaft's all in. We just got to get the chain mounted up. And then after we're done with the chain, we're down to brakes, and throttle. And that's it. And oh, and kill switch. 3 things. Down to 3 things. And we got a week, 2 weeks. Today's Tuesday. So not this weekend, but next weekend is the race. So I'd like to have it done this weekend so we can go up and test it, which would be ideal, but that may not happen, so we're gonna find out. Big thanks to Go Power Sports for getting us parts quick, and they're amazingly affordable. What else did we get from Go Power Sports? Get that. Oh, and that adapter. This adapter is sweet. We had to modify it, but this adapter so we could run that chain on there. And got that chain from Go Power Sports, that adapter, and oh, and the gears for the jack shaft are from Go Power Sports, and got those all in 2-day shipping. They were here right on time. It was awesome. So big shout out to you guys. Thank you. Alright, so what the goal is now is to get our chain links right. I have 2 female ends, and I have a master link, which I'm going to use on the back, and I should have another master link for the front soon, but I can also just solid pin it, which is an option. So, what I'm going to do here, man, I could almost just solid pin that right there. So the idea is if we're at full droop, and we're tight, it'll be good when we go through suspension. I believe that's how we figured it out, because I believe this gets looser as you travel up. So that'll be our link right there. Come with me. I don't know where to put you guys. Hold on. Now you can see my glorious face. Nobody wants to see that, I know. And you still can't see the... There we go. Okay. So, that's my link. There's my tool. Alright, I just took it for a ride. Sorry I didn't get any video of it. I don't got anybody to record. It's hard to use your throttle with one hand and try to record in the other. It just doesn't work very well. But I got the chain all up on there. It's looking pretty good. I'm definitely going to have to get something to keep the motor from sliding back because the torque is pulling the motor, even no matter how tight I get the bolts, and also something to keep the chain from getting tighter on the wheel side. So they make a chain adjuster basic of sorts for these. So I'll probably have to go to Bill Cycle Salvage and pick some up. He should have some. So a few more things. I think I'm going to try and get this seat mounted because I need to do that as well. And I think that's going to be fairly easy. Just kind of go in that, make a deal that goes in there, and then 2 bolts in the back, and I think that'll take care of that. And I think I'm going to end up cutting the seat and getting it reupholstered. So probably going to cut it like right there and reupholster it. But that will be for a later day. And then of course I got to take the wheels back off of it and get the brakes done up so that they work, which would be a good thing. I still need to get rear pads for that one as well. So it's getting there. It's getting very close. So probably should make a chain guard of sorts. Oh, stay. Probably should make a chain guard of sorts because that is going to be a calf destroyer. So another thing to think about. All right, so we're back for another day trying to get this thing. We got a week left until the race, and now it's crunch time. We still got brakes to do. My dad took it for a ride and broke the exhaust.
And that's what.
So we got to fix that really quick.
Just a little bit of a quick weld there. Not too much.
Yeah. But on the upside, we have a throttle now. We have an actual working throttle. Jack shaft is in, chains are measured out and put on. So now it's just kind of the little tiny stuff, getting brakes together, kill switch, chain guards so we don't lose our feet, and an exhaust guard too so we don't burn ourselves. Just making it a little bit safer. So, and then hopefully we'll be done with this thing midweek so we can actually go test it before we go race. In an ideal world, that's what would happen. So.
And do we live in an ideal world, Forrest?
No, we've never lived in an ideal world.
So what does that mean?
It means we're going to be flying by the seat of our pants, and we hope to God this thing doesn't break down while we're out there because we're pushing it 5 miles.
Exactly.
For what? For the RC cars?
Yeah. My rock hook.
Then in the background, the RC madness.
The claw!
Grab my strong hand.
Forrest is prepping for another test ride. See how well the heat shield works. So here we are, strapping on a high-tech seat.
Yeah, it gets stuck on still once in a while. Grander got stuck on wide open.
That's a 12-pack. He's gonna eat it. Oh, he didn't eat it in the grass. Definitely needs a chain tensioner.
Yeah, it's like walking around.
Oh, I can watch the watch it flopping around a lot. Look at it, I mean, just that idle. I got so
Seems like he's comfortable, so it means it must be right good and comfortable. That's good. $20, $30, $35. $38. He's packing at 40. Pulling hard at 40. Constant 40. Gradual uphill. Ain't bad.
How fast was that? 40? 40?
$30. Pulling much harder. 40. He's picking up still. Got 42. I think our throttle's limiting us. We just had to do another grip.
Hey guys, thanks for watching that video of F&F Garage. I hope you liked it. Hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment, and hit the notification button so you get notified the next time I upload a video. So, have a good one, guys. Later.